always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Time now for a check on that forecast. Next Weather Chief Meteorologist Ivan Cabrera joins us now with a lovely look at the beach and now the radar. Any rain coming, Ivan?
Well, we had some rain in Homestead, but everybody else has been dry today. And so what that's done, even without the cloud cover, that has allowed temperatures to really get up there. Low to mid 90s. We've had triple digits, and there doesn't seem much to really be recharging here as far as any showers or storms. Just a couple little showers left over across portions of Fort Lauderdale there. Still looking at this outflow boundary. Pretty significant one, and typically storms fire along this, but that hasn't happened so far, and there are no storms with outflow boundaries of their own to crash into this. So we're looking at pretty quiet for the rest of the evening as it looks right now. 88 in Homestead. You've climbed back from 70s after the downpour that came on top of you here. We had upwards of almost an inch of rainfall. There are the triple digits continuing at the shower in Fort Lauderdale, Miami, Homestead, and the upper 90s is what it feels like with the humidity across the Keys. There's that 3/4 of an inch, but notice the footprint here as far as the rain. Not much anywhere else. North of that into Miami at the airport and heading up into FLL, it's been pretty quiet as well. We've had some storms across the interior, but nothing doing as far as our neck of the woods, and sometimes the atmosphere does what it wants. A little bit of some drier air really up above, but that shouldn't have been enough to quash the storms, but it has. Southwest winds still with us tomorrow, some showers and storms, and then that reverse flow coming in for the weekend. Now here's the problem with the east wind. We do cool off at the beaches, and typically the storms will fire along the Everglades and push over to the southwest coast, but there looks to be a little disturbance that comes up on Sunday, and with that easterly wind it should come in here. So I'm thinking a wetter setup here for Sunday morning. I'll show you that on Rain Tracker, but there is some dry air that's going to be coming in by next week, and that will begin lowering our rain chances. But that's the new thing from yesterday today, is that little disturbance is now getting picked up on the models and bringing us rainfall when we don't want it. So next week, again, looking at a much drier setup here with that strong easterly wind. So here's Rain Tracker for the rest of the night. Things are quieting down, and then for tomorrow, south wind, that'll keep temperatures very warm. And then we get this setup here for Friday afternoon with some good downpours here, frequent lightning. That goes away. Saturday, I think, looks pretty dry because, again, that east wind, notice the storms will fire along the interior, but not anywhere else, and then everything pushes to the west. So here comes Sunday morning, the big parade day, and again, I think this is overdone. Before I show it to you, there is 11 o'clock just pouring over Fort Lauderdale and continuing to just slide into the south and west. I think this is overdone, but if we get additional runs that look like this, we're going to have to plan out for a pretty wet parade here. In the tropics, couple of things to watch. This area here, 30% chance of developing. That's going to be pushing off towards the west over the next few days, going into the Gulf of Mexico. That's not going to be a huge deal, but Brownsville may get clipped there with some pretty good showers and storms. And then there's this feature, which to me is starting to look very organized. In fact, that's moving towards the west the next few days. The computer models are in agreement where we have that circle. That's where the National Hurricane Center thinks this will develop. Tropical depression, probably tropical storm Beryl. What happens after that is just too early. But the models have been trending again towards the west. The intensity, really, we don't know at this point here. So keep checking back with us. I don't think it's a South Florida threat for us, as I've been saying the last few days. So again, we end the week with some thunderstorms for the afternoon. And then we may have to tweak that Sunday forecast here as it looks rainier to me right now with high temperatures approaching 90. That continues into next week.